Hello YouTube viewers, welcome back. Today our topic is we will learn about how the working of button in C# Visual Studio. So just start here Visual Studio 2013. Here I'm gonna make a new project, file, new project. Here I type the name, let me type tutorial 2. I'm gonna create the project by the name of tutorial 2. I have already created that, so let me place that. Okay, creating project. Today we will learn about button and a little bit about pointer. Creating projects. It will take little bit time to build the solution. Here is the form. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the form and the properties. In today's lecture we will learn about button and pointer. Here is a pointer. We are gonna common controls. We are going to talk about common controls. First of all, let me illuminate what is button. Here I can select button and drag the button on the form's body. You can see there is a button. And now what is the purpose of pointer? When you will select the button, it's showing you the dragger option to drag the button. And if you don't want to select or drag the button, you just want to move the existing objects placed on that form, you can select the pointer from right over there. So now you can see the pointer is showing you. Now you can move the button, resize the button. That's the purpose of pointer. So hope it's clear what's the purpose of pointer. Now I'm gonna talk about what is the purpose of button and how it works, its properties and all that. Alright, the basic purpose of button is what we will write in the code. Then the body of the button will be executed on the pressing that particular button. Here you can see the properties. It's the button text. Here is the button text, and here is the name of that button through which you can call in the coding section. Let me type btn. I write btn to call it in the body section. If you want to go to the coding section or Xamarin, you just double click on that button. Here is the coding section of that button. If I write, let me declare first integer. Let me zoom it for your convenience. Okay, I write int m is equal to 0. I created an m variable of integer type and assigned it the value 0 by default. So in the button section here you can see the name is also changed, btn. I write btn.text is equal to change text, and I'll place plus button or plus symbol, which is making concatenation between two types of strings. The change text is an string type, and if I place or write m that I have differentiated before and terminate, it will generate an error because m is an integer value and it will not declare into the button text. So we have to convert it into string, because just because of that we cannot assign an integer value to the button text. We have to convert that integer value. We have to convert that integer value to the string. So let's start the program. Let's start the program and let's see what happens. It will take a little bit time to build up the solution, so don't worry, chill. Alright, the program started. Here you can see when I click on button, first time it changed to text 0. When I click again on that button, what's that issue? Let me check. Alright, now, oh, I get it. I forget to increment in M this value, this statement. Here I am passing the commands. This statement will increment by 1 on each pressing of button. Let me remove, we don't need. Now start the program. Here 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Here you can see the change text, it remains same, and the value of an integer variable M is changing as I click on that button. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 further to 20 21 22 and all that. Hope you enjoy and understand what the purpose of button. It's a basic introduction of the button. We will work on it further when we will create a different kind of projects, but first of all, in the beginner level, you have to know how these tools work and what's the properties. You can also change the button color and text and all that by the same as we can change in the form. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. In the further lecture we will cover further tools, so stay blessed.